Hi friends, welcome to Pro Traders of India. As we posted today's our Bank Nifty first target is 30,700 and it is on the way. And we took a first trade around 950 and we bought 30,500 PG. We are waiting for target and whoever bought in the morning around 10 a.m. they have booked around 30,700 uh, and we are waiting for 30,700 to hit. We took a trade again around 11:15 or 11:17 whenever we posted this in Twitter. We are waiting for the target, the first target of this Bank Nifty around 30,700. If it hits, we'll book 50% to 60% profits and we'll wait for further fall. If it doesn't fall, we'll book 100%. This is our second trade. Okay, let's wait for this target, first target of Bank Nifty of the second trade. Thank you guys. Keep watching and please subscribe to our channels in Twitter and YouTube. And also please join us in Telegram. We'll keep updated all this kind of analysis. Thank you. I'll post if there are any new trades or new if we see any new opportunity today. Thank you.